So we're going to proceed with learning how to do some self-care using the foam roller. There's a lot of areas you can roll on the body, but to focus on a few of the main ones to learn how to do this, we like to hit the areas that are real short and tight. So the neck is an area from working on a computer that gets compressed.
Oh, mine's definitely tight, Kristen.
Yeah, and that lends itself to forward head posture. So the first way to unwind that is letting go of the back of the head and letting the head float up. So to do that with a roller, we're going to slide down till our neck is on the roller. And yes, with hair, be careful.
Get it out of the way.
Full hair. I like to set my arms out like this to open up the chest muscles, and then you're simply going to do nods with your chin down, and you're sort of pressing the back of your head into the roller, and you can gently turn right to left. The next area that's tight on most people is the low back from sitting in chairs and driving, and we don't like to come from the top down into the low back because of the kidneys and some of the organs in that area. So I usually start people sitting on the roller.
Sit on the roller.
That way your legs are bracing you, your hands are bracing you, and you can tuck the tail under and control yourself as you come into those low back fibers.
How long do we hold them, Kristen? Or how long do we roll?
Do each body part for about 30 seconds each. From here I would move into the hamstring. So I'm going to put my push down, roll the roller forward. And with this, I like to do one leg at a time. Sometimes in the gym, I see people doing this kind of a thing. But if it's hurting and you have tight hamstrings, your muscles are really tight, and now I'm just kind of poking into them. So I support myself with one leg, and now I can rotate into the roller and look for those really sticky spots. For me, I one time pulled a tendon up in here, so to get the scar tissue all the way up in there, this is the way I like to get it. Then moving down into the calves, because from wearing high heel shoes, flip-flops, just shoes in general really compress our feet, and we're on them all day. So to get the Achilles tendons and the gastrocnemius, I start at the ankle, and again, instead of coming up and rolling
that's what I've always,
I like to take it with an ankle like this down into the roller and sort of knead through the Achilles tendon.
That's so much more comfortable.
It is, so you're not getting that pain response.
Oh, Kristen, that felt so good.
Good, yes.
Thank you. Great take-it-home workout.
Thank you, yeah, I love it.